An introduction to NumPy. NumPy is a Python library and is written partially in Python, but most of the parts that require fast computation are executed by pre-compiled C code. C is a different programming language that is simply put faster than Python. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. The most popular uses for NumPy are for mathematical reasons or data science purposes, like supporting the pandas Python library or supporting machine learning. You can install NumPy via your terminal using pip3 or pip. Use NumPy by importing it in your program. Standard practice is to import NumPy as NP, but technically speaking you can choose any name instead of NP, though this is discouraged as you might end up choosing a name which is a built-in function and could cause errors in the program. NumPy stores data in so-called arrays, which is the NumPy version of a Python list. NumPy is called a multiple dimensional array library because you can create an array with more than one dimension. NumPy can store data in one-dimensional arrays, also called a vector, two-dimensional arrays, also called a matrix, or make use of even more dimensions. NumPy arrays operate much faster for multiple reasons. First, NumPy is partially written in Python and partially makes use of pre-compiled C code. Remember, C is a programming language faster than Python. Second, NumPy arrays use less memory. And third, all elements in a NumPy array are the same type of data. For example, Python needs to check in a list whether an element is an integer or a string. NumPy doesn't have to check what type of data the object in an array is, and thus has less steps in the execution. NumPy arrays are between 10 to 100 times faster than a regular Python list.